fresh vegetables. Ah.
What is the matter, Karim?
Why are you crying?
I cannot sell enough to feed my family.
The harvest was plentiful, but the customers do not come.
We have to get to Karim before sunset. The old market route is safest. And we must be very quiet.
Is that your final price for the greens, old friend?
For you, perhaps a small discount. But only because you asked so nicely.